According to the Health Ministry statistic, 3,857 housewives in the country, they are infected by HIV, and they are now the biggest group of female victims out of 10,222 female HIV carriers or patients. And also it is mentioned in the report that most of the housewives actually got infection from their husband. It is shocking to me because by comparison, actually only 621 infected with AIDS have been sex worker, which to us should be a high-risk group. But however, actually, it's only 621 of them. So it's very like 1/5 or 1/6 of the infected housewife. And I think since that now today, housewife has now become the biggest risk group of HIV. I think it's time for our government to do something to safeguard, to protect the interests and also the well-being of the housewife. Currently, under Section 10 Sub 2 of the Infectious Disease Prevention and Control Act 1988, it actually imposed a mandatory duty on the doctor or medical practitioner who treats or becomes aware of such infectious disease, which include HIV lah. Then they have a duty to inform the medical health officer, okay, with the least delay, okay. However, currently, there is no obligation on either the medical officer or on the medical practitioner, the doctor, or the HIV infected person to inform their spouse about their HIV infections. Okay, Malaysians AIDS Charter drafted by Malaysians AIDS Council actually recognize that every individual has the responsibility to protect himself or herself and others. And this shall include the responsibility of them to inform his or her spouse of his HIV status. And an individual shall also have the right to refuse sex if he or she believes that he or she is at the risk of being infected by his partner. And I think it is time for us to make this obligation into a legal obligation, to make this responsibility into a legal one. And this is not something new, okay? The next paragraph in my statement, I give you a few examples. In some states in USA, it is the legal obligation of the spouse to inform their wife or husband. In some other states like Texas, okay, it is the duty of the medical officer, or I would say that the doctor, to inform the medical officer, and then the medical officer then has the duty to inform the spouse of the HIV infected person. Okay, and also similarly in Australia, it is the same as well. It is the duty for the doctor to inform the health minister, the health officer, and then the health minister need to inform the spouse or the sexual contacts of the infected person. I think it's initially in the year 1981, we only have 2 housewives infected with HIV, and now they become the largest group among the female patients. So I hope and I call for the legislator, let us amend the law together. Not only we make it mandatory for the doctor to inform the health minister, the health department of the country, but also let us make it into a duty for either the spouse or the health officer to inform the spouse so that we can protect the housewife. Bear in mind, most of the housewives, they are those groups, they are not very well educated, they are not doing financially very well, and they are in the positions that they actually have no guts to even say no to their husband. So I hope and I call for our government to do something for this, to me, is more vulnerable group.